When I started, I had no idea what I was going to put on the burger. I had to dig around in the house. And this is what it turned out to be. Watch the video and see what I did. Yeah. So why do I call it the surprise burger? Here's why. I was up at the store and I saw these patties. They're pretty small. There's 6 of them in there. I thought, you know what? A little snack won't hurt, so I bought the patties. I went in there and I got me some buns, a little bitty buns, because they're little bitty burgers. And I didn't buy anything else to go with them. So everything else comes out of the house, whatever I find. And at this point, I have no idea what I'm going to find, what I'm going to cook. The only thing I know is Gigi said she wants hers without a bun. The burger without a bun. We'll go see if we got some onions. Let me go find a couple things, put it together for you, and we'll get some kind of cook done. We have no idea. I really didn't want to make it on camera, and I thought, you know, why not? I haven't been filming much on camera. It's Papa, Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Welcome to join me. Let me get the stuff, and we'll be right back. I think I figured it out. Got some taters, got some yellow onions, got some bacon, got some sharp cheddar cheese, got some Uncle Steve shake for the burgers, got some minced garlic paste, cheater garlic, going to be mixed in with them onions with the olive oil. That's what we got you. Now we just have to put it all together. I'm making French fries. Yeah, we're using a blackstone flat griddle and air fryer. Well, here's what we're up to while my neighbor Mo is up there. Got the taters cut up, going in the air fryer. Got the onions cut up, got the bacon cut up, and then here's one slab that Gigi's patty will sit on. I'll meet you over at the black griddle. It helps when you turn the camera on. Alright, we got the onions down with the original Uncle Steve shake. Got the bacon around it. Going down with that. We'll turn the air fryer on the fries, and we'll see you. I forgot to mention, I was going to do this later. Just going to put a little bit of cheater garlic around in there. Alright, at this point we took our onions off. They're looking fantastic. We're getting the rest of the bacon done, and Gigi's patty's going to sit right on top of that when it's done, and that's how she's going to eat it. As you can see, we haven't even started on the patties. Alright, but it's smelling good. So at this time we're going to take the bacon off, and we're going to throw the patties on. What I'm trying to show you is you can make any kind of burger you want. It don't have to be the same kind of burger every time. Just find stuff you have around the house and get it rolling. What's going to be good about these burgers, get some seasoning on them. They're going to get from the bacon to the onions to the garlic to the Uncle Steve shake, the original. All them flavors are going to blend in on these burgers. Looking good. They're almost done. Put my little bun on there. There's Gigi's bun. Alright, while that bun's finishing out, I'm going to do a double burger. I'm going to go a little bit of cheese on here. And let's go with this one here. Just like that. Close the lid, let it melt in there. Alright. Alright, this time I'm going to go ahead and build mine out. Put the flat one on bottom. That didn't go too good. This one right on top of it. Maybe 3 slices of bacon on there. Some awesome grilled onions. Right there. She's just getting a piece of meat. Alright, at this point, headed. Well, there's your finale. We went from nothing to something. Look at that burger. I'm not even going to put any condiments on it. I want the flavor of this burger. If you enjoyed this video, you're welcome to join Papa, Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Yeah.